Look at that. There we go. We're working now. What's up with it, family? It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, back at you again with another delicious recipe, baby. We're making some juicy chicken tenders with a homemade ranch, baby. It don't get no better than that. So let's get right into it. Chicken tenders with a homemade ranch, baby. Yeah. First thing we're gonna do, family, we're gonna go ahead and get our homemade ranch together. So we got some buttermilk ranch, that is. Let's get that buttermilk in there, baby. Duke's mayonnaise. There we go. Let's give it a mix. I'm hit it with some salt. And I have all of the measurements and the ingredients in the description, so don't forget. We're gonna hit it with some coarse black pepper, some dill weed. Let's get that dill weed in there. Some garlic powder. Yeah, onion powder. Last but not least, throw some parsley in there, baby. Give it that ranch look. And all we gotta do is mix it. That's it right there. However thick you like it. If you like a little more thicker, you can add you a little more mayonnaise. Just make sure you balance everything out. We're gonna taste for likeness. See if we need to add anything. Any more salt, any more pepper, dill weed, etc. I mean, just that easy. It's a homemade ranch. Just that easy. Taste it. Oh yeah, that is. There it is. So let's get our chicken tenders seasoned up. I already got some seasoned flour and cornstarch mixed right here. Lawry seasoning salt. And we just seasoning the taste, baby. Just seasoning to taste. That onion powder on there. There we go. Paprika on there. Pepper, baby. Gotta have that black pepper. We just gonna flip them and do the same thing. Got them flipped. And like I say, same thing. Hit it with that Lawry seasoning salt, onion powder, black pepper, smoked paprika. Just like that right there. Let's take them. Massage them all together. Get all that seasoning mixed in very well. If you want, you guys take your fork and get the tendons out of there. But for, once again, video purposes, I want them to look whole because you'll shred your top part if you pull them out with a fork. So we're just gonna have to eat around that today. All right, flour. So we're gonna hit dry first. We're gonna hit buttermilk, shaking the excess off. There we go. And we're gonna hit back to the seasoned flour mix. There we go. Have us some nice, good old crispy chicken tenders, baby. There we go. Oh, look at that. Big old chicken tender. So, repeat process. We're going dry. And if you don't like them flat like me, you don't have to smash them. Just make sure you coat them. But like I say, I like mine flat. So get it good coated real good. We're going to go dry. Wet, shaking the excess off, back to dry. We'll finish the rest of these. We're gonna come back. We're gonna heat us up some avocado oil. We're gonna drop these boys in a hot grease. Yeah. And here we is, baby. We got them chicken tenders. Look how big they are. That's one reason I like giving them a little smash. They look bigger than what they are. And people always love more food, even though it's the regular sized chicken. So over medium heat, let's go ahead and get our avocado oil in here. We'll get us maybe about a cup or so. All right, so our grease is hot. Since I'm using the cast iron skillet, it's at 325. Cast irons are always going to continue to heat, so always take that into consideration when you're cooking or frying anything. So we're just going to cook these 2 to 3 minutes each side to the light golden brown. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about in a minute. All right, 2 to 3 minutes up. Let's go ahead and give it a flip. That's what we want to look like right there. Drop it over, same thing. 2 to 3 minutes, and it's going to be ready. And we can go ahead, get us another one in here. There we go. We're going to pull these out. We're going to finish the rest. All right, let's go ahead and flip this one right here. That's what we want, baby. And these are ready to come out. Oh yeah, look at that. This one out of here. There we go. Working now. All right, these are last two. So this one, that's all done. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful, baby. That is beautiful. I'll set it to the side. Just get this one flipped over. There we go. Another 2 or 3 minutes. That's gonna be it. That's gonna be all, family. Check this out. Oh, check that out. Oh, big old chicken tenders, baby. Big old chicken tenders. They gonna love it. Perfectly seasoned, tender, moist, juicy, all of that. Right, family, as you can see, look at those delicious chicken tenders. Buttermilk chicken tenders, baby. Look at that. Nice and crispy, well seasoned, oh so juicy, oh so moist. And we got that homemade ranch, baby. It don't get no better than that. But you know what I want to do? I want a regular ranch, and I want a spicy ranch. So let's hook us up a buffalo ranch real quick. Now let's make us some buffalo ranch. We got that homemade ranch right there, baby. Let's go ahead. We're gonna split it. There we go. Yeah, let's split it. Put that ranch to the side. We're gonna enjoy that a little bit later too. We're gonna take that Frank's original hot sauce. Then we're gonna do it to taste, baby. We're gonna do it to taste. Whichever you like in yours, that's how you're gonna put it in there. We're gonna try that. We're gonna mix it. Let's get everything mixed up. Look like I might want a little bit more in there. Yeah, there it is. I guarantee you, this is right here, baby. There it is right there. There it is. So we got us some buffalo ranch. We got us some regular homemade ranch. And we got us some delicious buttermilk chicken tenders, baby. Yeah. All right, family, that is it. That is all. We just made us some delicious, juicy chicken tenders. Y'all, don't forget about our homemade ranch and homemade spicy buffalo ranch. Hey, let's taste it. As you can see, I already been a little greedy. Bit off one already. Gotta taste it, baby. We're gonna try the regular ranch first. Get that in there. There we go. spicy buffalo ranch. Like that spicy ranch, baby. Hit me in the comments. Let me know if you like spicy ranch or regular ranch. That boy can cook, baby. As always, if you like this video, if you found value in this video, if you learned anything from this video, hit the like button, share it with your people, throw a comment down at the bottom. Holla at your boy. If it's your first, second, third time, hit that subscribe button. Make sure your notifications on so you know what we doing, when we doing it. Because we doing it. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till next time, baby.